Hello guys, uh, my name is Shuja and I'm again here to code on some Verilog Okay, so we are going to start, and same that I will told you later, that I will told you back that how can you write a simple code on by using NordGrid. And I think I have a simple diagram. Yes, these which I wrote in the previous lecture. If you have the first view of this video, I think you should check my previous video. Okay, these are our first basically NordGrid. Okay, if you're going to start, let me talk about this. I want to save it. Okay, I want to tell you that what about we may made a NOT gate. What about we have want to make a AND gate. Okay, so what is AND gate? AND gate basically, I think you are very well known about AND gate. It's AND gate like this. If I make I want to very sorry about it. My writing, my drawing is very bad. We input, and this is B input, and this is X out. It's very big. Okay, okay. Let's start. Basically, this is our AND gate. Okay, and gate. Okay, this is our AND gate. Okay, so if we go into the truth table of this, how can we make the truth table? It's very simple. That firstly, we should to make A and B. So what are the possible inputs? The possible inputs are, first it all should to be go to the 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, these are all the possible values. And if we I think you are very well known about the AND gate, how the AND gate works. It's basically a simple multiply. So if you multiply 0 to 0, it will produce a 0 in or X output. And also if you multiply 0 to 1, it also give 0. Similarly with this, give 0, and but similarly it will give 1 multiply 1, it's 1. So basically these are the output values which is produced by AND gate. Okay, we know these are the AND gate, and we wrote on hard copy, but how can we wrote on a programming? It's very simple. Okay, these are my software models, which are I think very famous, and I previously talked about it. So we going to again start file, new project, and I think so. Okay, basically this error is it's not a simple error, it's not basically notification. Why? Because I have not closed my previous project, so it's going to say warning. Okay, I will okay. What happened? Okay, I am going to I should stop the simulation, add the simulation here. Yes, what that I basically have started simulation for running the previous program. That's why it's doing error. So now going to new project, and yes, and okay, our project file is created, and our project name is second tutorial. Okay, okay, and now we going to create new file, and we are going to program on the Verilog, and now is second tutorial. Okay, and close. And okay, as you can see, here is our second tutorial. Left click, edit, and this is our workspace. Okay, so we are going to write an AND gate. It's very simple again. So firstly type module, and name of your program or module. I will name at second use X and output, and A and B is the input. Why A and B is the input? Because we know that in AND gate we have two possible inputs, so and one output. That's why it's have two inputs here and one output here. I'm declaring it. Wait a minute. From this input A, B, and output it will be, sorry, output it will be X. See, okay, very easy. So now how can we make a add and second? Basically it's a very different. Basically it's A and D. It's a defined AND gate we have in model sim, but we can also define the AND gate. I will tell you in the later tutorial, but in the basic we just use this AND gate. Okay, so AND gate, and I'm going to inst 1 and put the X output. A and D will be the input, and simple AND module. Okay, sorry. If you're thinking that why I'm placing here, it's basically a simple using later I will tell you the test benchmark, so I will tell you detail in the thing, but similarly simple it's here to point or the point the line that where we are going to write an AND gate. Okay, I will tell you the later this functionality, but now first let Control S and go to the right click, compile, select it, and as you can see, bang, there is no error. So okay, now we're going to simulate. How can we simulate? Go to simulate option, start simulation, go to the work. Okay, I forgot to tell you the previous tutorial that we are from our file found the file will found on the work. Now go to the second tutorial, click and OK, and as you can see this loading module and come on. Things going to do late. Come on, model sim. I think there's some problem here, but the code is perfect. There is no single error in the code. I will tell you what is the problem here. Let me start simulation and simulate. Okay, we will simulate again. Simulate, start simulation. Okay, here work and second tutorial. Okay, what is the problem? Wait a minute, I will check it out. What is the problem? Okay guys, we are back and I found the problem. What is the problem? Basically the problem is that is going to also simulation is here, so that's why it's going to some random value that is loading, but it's not simulation is completed. I'm again simulate, go to simulate and start simulation, and then going to the file is saying tutorial. Okay, and again it's going to, as you can see, it's loading, but it's going to load. Okay, so how can we see? Going to the view, going to the wave, and simply left click, add all, add wave, add all region. As you can see, there's two input, one put this, one put this. Going to add the value, so using force, and I'm going to, let's suppose 1 0 1, and here is 0. So 1 multiplied 0 is x values shift to 0. Okay, input and then run it. As you can see, I'm going to zoom it. As you can see, one value of the A, b value is 0, and as you can see here the x value is output is also 0. So it's very simple AND gate. Hope you like it, and again comment below and let me know that what you want to add in what you want to add in this video and what you want to make the video good. So hope you like it. Please comment and please subscribe my channel, and also be happy and be coding. Goodbye.